Welcome to Delft Stack. In today's video, I will show you how to fix packet loss in Arc Raiders using a few simple steps. First, open the game and go to the Settings menu. Look for the network or gameplay settings where the server region is selected. By default, this is usually set to Auto. Change this setting from Auto to a region that is closest to your physical location. This helps reduce latency and improves connection stability because your data travels a shorter distance to the game servers. Next, if you are using a VPN, turn it off completely before launching the game. VPN can sometimes cause unstable connections and may also interfere with the easy anti-cheat system used by Arc Raiders. Disabling the VPN ensures a direct and more stable connection to the game servers. Now, we will adjust some network settings in Windows. Press the Windows key and search for Device Manager. Open it, then expand the Network Adapters section. Find your Ethernet or Wi-Fi adapter, right-click on it, and select Properties. Go to the Advanced tab. Here, look for settings like Energy-Efficient Ethernet, Offload, and Large Send Offload. Disable each of these options one by one. These features are designed to save power or optimize traffic, but they can sometimes cause packet loss in online games. After making these changes, restart your computer to apply everything properly. Then launch Arc Raiders again and check if the issue is resolved. Thanks for watching.